Hello and welcome back to our channel, Finance with Angelina. Today we are going to talk about Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin is a book that teaches you how to improve your relationship with money and achieve financial freedom. It explores 9 effective ways to stop living paycheck to paycheck, get out of debt, earn enough money to make more than just a living, and start living your life worry-free from a financial point of view. The book is based on the combined experience of 50 years, 30 years for Joe Dominguez and 20 years for Vicki Robin, in living the principles presented in the book. The purpose of the book is to transform your relationship with money, which encompasses more than just your earning, spending, debts, and savings. It also includes the time these functions take in your life. The Money Trap, the old roadmap for money. This chapter discusses how our current beliefs and attitudes towards money may be holding us back from achieving financial freedom. For example, many people believe that they need to work harder and earn more money to be happy, but this often leads to a never-ending cycle of consumerism and debt. Making peace with the past. This step involves calculating how much money you have earned in your lifetime and what you have to show for it. This can be a sobering exercise, as many people realize that they have spent a large portion of their earnings on things that did not bring lasting happiness or fulfillment. Being in the present, tracking your life energy. This step involves calculating how much you are trading your life energy, time, for money, and keeping track of every cent that comes into or goes out of your life. This can help you become more mindful of your spending habits and make better decisions about how you use your money. Monthly tabulation. This step involves creating a monthly tabulation of your income and expenses to see where your money is going. This can help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending and increase your savings. How much is enough? The quest for happiness. This chapter discusses the concept of enough and how it relates to happiness. Many people believe that they will be happy once they have more money, but research shows that happiness levels off after a certain point. Instead of focusing on earning more money, this chapter encourages readers to focus on finding fulfillment and satisfaction in their lives. 3 questions that will transform your life. This step involves asking yourself 3 questions. Did I receive fulfillment, satisfaction, and value in proportion to life energy spent? Is this expenditure of life energy in alignment with my values and life purpose? How might this expenditure change if I didn't have to work for a living? These questions can help you evaluate your spending habits and make changes that align with your values and goals. Making life energy visible. This step involves creating a wall chart that shows your income, expenses, and progress towards financial independence. This visual representation can help motivate you to stay on track with your financial goals. Valuing your life energy by minimizing spending. This step involves finding ways to reduce your spending without sacrificing happiness or fulfillment. For example, you could try cooking at home instead of eating out, or finding free or low-cost activities to do with friends instead of expensive outings. Valuing your life energy by maximizing income. This step involves finding ways to increase your income without sacrificing your time or well-being. For example, you could negotiate a raise at work or start a side hustle that brings in additional income. Capital and the crossover point. This chapter discusses the concept of capital, savings and investments, and the crossover point, the point at which your capital generates enough income to cover your expenses. Once you reach the crossover point, you are financially independent and no longer need to work for a living. Managing your finances. This final step involves managing your finances in a way that supports your financial independence. This includes investing wisely, minimizing taxes, and being mindful of inflation. I hope this expanded summary provides a better understanding of the lessons in Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. That's for all in this video. Hope you liked it. If you have any book suggestion, then do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Have a good day. Love you.